In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a profile picture to your ClickUp account. This is a simple update, but it can make your workspace feel more personal and make it easier for teammates to recognize you at a glance. If you're ready, let's go through the process together. Start by opening ClickUp and going to your home workspace. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon. This may appear as a default avatar, your initials, or an existing image if you've already set one before. Click on that profile icon to open the account menu. From there, click directly on the actual image or icon shown for your profile. This takes you to the area where you can update your avatar. Next, select the option that says Upload Avatar. After that, click Upload to begin choosing a new image from your device. Your file browser will open, and this is where you can select the picture you want to use. Choose the image from its saved location, then confirm your selection so ClickUp can load it. Once the image is uploaded, you'll be given the option to reposition or crop it. This part is important because your profile picture will usually display in a small circular frame, so you'll want to make sure your face, logo, or chosen image is centered properly. Take a moment to adjust it until it looks the way you want. When you're happy with the preview, click Save. After saving, your new profile picture will be applied to your ClickUp account. That's it. Your profile picture is now added and should appear anywhere your account icon is shown throughout the platform. It's also helpful to know that this update can sometimes be done through settings as well. In some areas of ClickUp, you may find another place where your profile picture can be clicked, and that can lead you to the same avatar update options. So if you don't use the top right menu, checking your account settings is another good route. As a quick tip, try using a clear, high-quality image so it looks good even at smaller sizes. A centered photo with good lighting usually works best, especially if this is for team collaboration. And that's all you need to do. Now you know how to add a profile picture to your ClickUp account quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.